Hi, on this very special day, can you guess what is common among these people? Mr. Narendra Modi, Arvind Kejriwal, Rahul Gandhi, Mamata Banerjee. Any thought? Write in the comments. Okay, let me move on. Another group, Adolf Hitler, Mother Teresa, J. Krishnamurti, Hema Malini, Dhirubhai Ambani. Anything common? No? Let's move on. Queen Elizabeth, Johnny Lever, Charles Darwin, Princess Diana, Salman Khan. Any guess? Let's move on. Guess what is common? Dr. Radhakrishnan, Balasaheb Thackeray, Rahul Bajaj, Abhishek Bachchan, Dharmendra. Write your comments. Swami Vivekanand, Dia Mirza, Nita Ambani, Dilip Kumar. No? In fact, there is something common among all the names which I mentioned. Let me give some more names. Abraham Lincoln, David Beckham, Manoj Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan, Aishwarya Rai, Kalyanji Anandji, Manoj Bajpayee, Isha Deol, Sunny Deol. Yeah? What is common between Pandit Ravi Shankar, Tony Blair, Pamela Anderson, Mahatma Gandhi, Boris Becker, Prince Charles, and Lalu Prasad Yadav? You know what? What is common among all of these people which I mentioned? There is a common voice, there is common faith and trust in homeopathy. They all used homeopathy sometime or the other. Wishing you a happy World Homeopathy Day.